Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set any printer as a default printer driver in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to navigate at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you have typed it, a best match would appear. You can see there a best match, which is a system called settings. You need to click on open to proceed. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together in your keyboard, and in that manner or way, you would be able to bring up your settings. Now, once you are being navigated here with the settings, please proceed at the left side of that. You can see there are a list of the options. Here, you need to look for an option called Bluetooth and devices. So tap on it, and the moment you have tapped on it under the Bluetooth and devices section, you need to scroll down and look for this, printers and scanners. So click on it once again. And the moment you have clicked on it, there you can see all the printers and drivers that you have installed or that you have connected in your device. Now here, you need to look for printer preferences. Now before we proceed on setting as our driver as our default printer, we need to make sure that this let Windows manage my default printer is off. Okay? So it must be off so that your Windows cannot manage your default printer. You can modify your default printer, which is your device would be set as your default printer. So if it's you being turned on, turn it off, and once you have turned it off, you need to navigate to the list of printer drivers that you have or that you have installed here in your Windows. So let's say, for example, you have selected the printer driver that you want to set as your default vid. All you need to do is you need to tap on it. And the moment you have tapped on it, there at the upper right side of the screen, you can see there an option called set as default and removed. So in order to set it as your default printer, you need to click on set as default, and the moment you have set as default, there the status of the printer will be in default. And if we go back here, when we click on this backward arrow, and when we check on the list of drivers or printer drivers that we have, there you can see that the printer driver that we have just selected as our default is being stated here default, meaning that we have just successfully set our printer driver as our default. Okay. So this is good, especially when you are printing. You will be redirected to the printer driver as well, and you won't be able to select any of the printer drivers since you would be redirected to your printer driver the moment you have print your documents or any files that you want to print with. So that's it. You can now close this window and you're good to go. So that's it. That's how easy actually to set a default printer driver here in your Windows or computer. Now, if you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.